What kind of detergent do you use? Spilling, flying, a pain. Using detergents is not supposed to be such a pain. Get rid of it with just one sheet. There's something special about the simple and powerful Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. One sheet at a time. Simply use only half sheet for smaller capacity, efficient new concept of sheet detergent. With the powerful cleaning power of super concentrated neutral detergent, it finds and breaks down various contaminants and stains. Wait, shall we check if the Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent melts well in cold water? Wow! From spot removal to fragrant fiber care and whitening all at once! Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent is so convenient! Allergen-free fragrance! Eco-friendly detergent made with water-soluble plant extracts. The simplicity and strength of this new paper detergent is not a choice, but a necessity to improve the quality of life. Super concentrated neutral detergent. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent.